Are we going to get a 1-2 Powell punch? Well, let's take a look. So far, markets are mixed in defense mode, but that could change. We have Matt Cheslock here to tell us the play-by-play. Hello, Matthew.
Roiled by my favorite people down in D.C. That's what we're seeing today, and that's why the market's been so uncertain.
Yes, that is true. But hey, let's look at this. Is the Fed on the market side?
I think, Chairman Powell is definitely a friend of the market. I think what's going on is that he's been floating the idea of 4 rate hikes to see how the market's going to take it. And obviously the market hasn't taken it too well. So that's why we saw the big declines on Tuesday and Wednesday. And today we're seeing a ton of volatility. We've seen it down 170 and up 130, and that's all while he's been speaking.
Sure, and Matt, it's the first of the month. Usually there's a lot of inflow from mutual funds, but yesterday we had $3 billion market on close orders for sale. Could that be offsetting it and setting the tone for March?
It certainly could be. I think people are starting to see, there's more fear to the downside, and that's why you see a market today that's unchanged. You see the VIX over a point. So that's a big move on the VIX on a relatively innocuous looking day. But there's certainly a lot of volatility associated with it. So I think people are going to say, I'm going to wait and see how this plays out, see what the first Fed meeting has. So I'm not going to just go blindly buying March 1st. I'm going to wait and see what maybe we have in store mid-March.
So now that we talked about market on close, let's talk about the market of clothes, since we have a lot of retail earnings this week, and they've been pretty stellar. So do you think that shorts can enter using that as a catalyst to enter, or do you see retail riding up?
No, I think you're probably going to see some sell into the strength. They've been a beaten down sector, a sector that really hasn't been loved other than Amazon, so you'll probably see, as you see a trend higher, they looked like they were going to be a source of strength. They're really not there yet. It's kind of been a one-off. A couple stocks have performed pretty well, but Home Depot and Lowe's, they're retailers too. They suffered. So Walmart hasn't been great. So it's kind of been a mixed bag. So I think shorts will probably get involved here, especially if the market go lower.
Well, Matt, I know you have to get out of here, but I can't let you go without some laughs. Now that you are on Twitter, did you by any chance see the New York Stock Exchange tweet last night about, do your kids tweet about the markets?
I actually did see that this morning, and my kids do not tweet about the markets. They only tweet about, I don't know what they tweet about, actually, and I don't want to know either.
I loved YOLO. You only list once.